Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and making an obvious safety move. Unplug the console and all cables. You do this to remove residual charge and let the system fully reset. While unplugged, inspect the power cable and connector for damage or bent pins. A damaged cord is a common culprit. Once done, give the console 5 to 10 minutes to discharge. Make sure the vent area is clear so you can work safely and rule out overheating as an immediate cause. You now perform a power cycle and hard reset because the system firmware can lock up and need a clean startup. Plug only the power cable back into a known good outlet. Keep HDMI and accessories unplugged. Press and hold the console power button for about 10 seconds until any LED or fan activity stops. That forces a shutdown. After waiting 10 seconds, press the power button once to boot. If it powers on, connect HDMI and test. If not, you'll move to the internal. You finish with targeted verification and a key troubleshooting tip. Swap power sources and cables. Try a different outlet, and if available, a spare Xbox Series X power cable to isolate a faulty cord or outlet. If the console shows a diagnostic LED pattern, orange or green, boot to offline diagnostic mode per Xbox prompts to repair firmware. Once done, make sure you record steps tried. If the console still won't power at all, contact Xbox support or arrange.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.